Welcome guys. Welcome to Daily Crypto Trading. Today we're going to look at the TA of Kadena. There we go, I made a mistake already. So before we start with the TA of Kadena, guys, remember to hit the subscribe button. 90% who are watching my content are not subscribers. If you're enjoying my content, earning a lot of money, one thing you have to do is just hit the subscribe button and alert button so you don't miss these videos. Anyway guys, let's just jump straight into the TA of Kadena. Kadena have done a 10x since, well, let's see, since when? Just let's see here. Well, since mid-October, yeah, to now, alright? Actually, it's, well, 13x to be honest, alright? And usually when things go this high, I do not buy. Alright, my mistake, because when I saw Kadena right at this point at $70, at that time it was going to explode to do another, let me just see, another 66%, I didn't buy in. But now we can see actually it's going down because Bitcoin is corrected itself, we are in greed, and we are still not in altcoin season. This is a great buying opportunity in my opinion. We just have to remind that we can still go lower, and I will explain later on why we can go lower. However guys, we are in a falling wedge. Alright guys, so if you've been following my channel in TA 101, you guys know I love these kind of channels, because a falling wedge, this channel is not perfect, but a falling channel in the forward chart looks like this. Alright, so if you guys are looking like this is a bullish formation, right? We have a support line, we have a resistance line. Again, is this not the perfect channel forward, but it's still a falling wedge. So what does that mean? That means we can see if it breaks to the upside, uptrend continuation for uptrend. All right. Again, not the strongest formation, but we of course have other indicators will support or claim for uptrend. All right, guys. If you look at the Elliott wave, guys, if we take an Elliott wave, we actually have an impulsive movement at the moment, right? We have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, that is what I believe will happen, and we have a ABC in it at the moment. ABC. That is not this. There we go. We have the ABC correction. That is why it's going down, and of course because of Bitcoin. All right. However, where will the price go from now on? Now we know it's in a falling wedge. We know that it is going to be an impulsive movement, right? If this holds, we can see there's a ABC correction. Will there be some kind of other indicators that tell us that Kadena will go to the upside? If you guys been on my channel, you know I love Solana. I was buying Solana $2. I was showing videos when Solana was below $40 before I did a 10x again. Alright guys, so I believe Kadena can do the same thing. Again, usually I don't buy at these tops. I wait for pullback, and we can still go down. I will just keep buying. However, I'm not going to trade Kadena. I'm just going to do a TA because a member in the Telegram asked me to do a TA of Kadena. So guys, if you look at the volume, let me just show you the volume. If you look at the volume have been falling down, as you guys see. And when the price is just going up while the volume fall, then you guys know, if you've been following my channel, as I've been saying, then the price will go down. All right, there we go. So at the moment in the forward, well, we can't see that much. I will show you better in daily because it's better to see in daily. So we can't see that much volume. All right, we need more volume for price action. So if you look at the RSI in the 4 hours forward is actually looking good, right? We again have a falling wedge in the RSI, which means if this breaks up, right, we can go all the way to the overbought area, which will be good because that means that the price will go up, right? At the moment, we are below the 50 area. And you guys know when we are below the 50 area, that means we are in a downtrend. All right. So again, this is actually looking good. And something else I forgot to mention, we are in a bullish divergence. As you guys see it right there, going down like this and going up like this. Yeah. So that is a bullish divergence. All right, guys, usually means we go to the upside. If you look at the RSI stock, again, we are oversold, which means we need to do some kind of movement to the upside. All right. If we look at TSV, again, the forward chart are showing just forward. It's not giving the best insight. However, if you look at just the forward chart again, we are seeing that that is getting distribution. We are seeing a sell-off, which the TSV also showing. It just means that their sell volume is higher than the buy volume pretty much. I'm not seeing any bullish bearish diversion. The MACD, nothing much to tell. It's crossing over to the sell area of the histogram and the lines right here, as you guys can see. So I also like to use the VPVR. If you look at the VPVR, we are seeing right here, there's a support, not the strongest support, but there's a support. The strongest support will be around $7. All right, guys, all the way to $6. That will be the strongest support. All right. Also, if it goes to these levels, I will buy up. Be sure of that. So if you look at the first support, is not the strongest support, but is right here, is around $17. But that will be a support also. So of course there's a resistance which I didn't make, but if we look at the moment at the VPVR, we are seeing strong resistance here. We call this the supply zone also. So that's, yeah, right here. Let's just see if we can do it more clearly. Yeah, there we go. As you guys see, there's a lot. If you look at the VPVR, there is a lot of resistance right here, guys. So keep an eye on that. We need some kind of volume, right? We need a higher volume. We need volume to increase for the price action. And then we need to go above this resistance, right? And hold this as a support if you want to have uptrend continuation, guys. This is important to know. Otherwise, we'll just keep going down, because we can still go down, because there's still a possibility to a downtrend. Remember that, guys. If Bitcoin corrects itself right now, Kadena will just go down. All right, guys. If you look at the daily, guys, we also see something else. All right. So if you look at the daily, at the volume first, volume is increasing. This is good, guys. We need to see more volume because the price action will increase. Higher volume means more price action. All right. So that is good. Again, if you look at the VPVR, we are seeing again resistance here, resistance here. This whole area right here is one big resistance. All right. We need to surpass that area. All right. We need some kind of volume. If you look at the 21 SMA, it is going up, which means it will be used as a support. All right. So prepare yourself, guys. Kadena can go lower. I'm just saying the facts right there. Kadena can go lower. All right. And your strategy can be simple as I do all the time. DCA your way down. All right. Buy more bags to minimize your loss. Risk management is key and patience is the key right there. All right, guys. If you look at the RSI is actually overbought. That is why we're seeing it's going down. Nothing can just stay up forever. It needs to go down. It needs to calm down. The calm before the storm, guys. Remember that. So you need to hold right there. You need to hold the support area at 50. Not support, the 50 area, sorry. Because then it means we're still in an uptrend continuation. All right, guys. I've been telling them all the time. The 50 area in the RSI in the daily is an important area. It just means that we're in an uptrend. Are we below this in the daily? That, yeah, then we are going down, guys. That usually means we're in a downtrend. TSV, we're not seeing that much beside a high volume going slower down, but otherwise we're not seeing that much. In the MACD, we're not seeing that much, just that we are in bullish momentum at the moment, and we can't keep staying there, all right? But at the moment, not seeing that much. Overall, Kadena is still looking like a good setup, right? It's looking like a uptrend continuation. We just need to see where it goes. So my target for it, the first target is, if you look at the trend-based fib levels, you guys know I use this a lot, and the impulses Elliott wave, then we can see my first target will be around $29. The second target will be around $33, and my third target, guys, will be $42. So how much gain is that? If we watch right now, that is, yeah, 116% gains if there is a bull continuation, right? But it all depends on Bitcoin, guys. If Bitcoin corrects itself, Kadena will go lower, guys. Just keep that in mind. And again, we are in greed. We need to see, you buy at the fear, you sell at the greed. Remember that. Again, we are not in altcoin season yet, but when we are in altcoin season, it doesn't even matter about the fundamentals. Everything will just go up. If you look at the Bitcoin dominance, yeah, nothing much to say. Bitcoin dominance, we might go down, break this down, trend line, down, so the altcoins can shine again. But yeah, time will tell. So nothing much to say about that. All right, guys. We look at the total market cap. We did break down the up channel. All right, people took the profit out as soon as they heard these news about the crypto bill or something like that. I did explain it in my previous Bitcoin video about the crypto law in the United States. But overall, guys, this trade is looking good. We are in the RSI stock getting, sorry, I didn't mention that. We are getting in the oversold area. So we might see something like that, right? That is actually good because it will get at the oversold area. and it will make an explosive move to the upside. Now, patience is key here, guys, all right? Because Kadena did a 10x and can still move to the upside. We just we need to look at these kind of formation in the TA. So yeah, I would say 65 to 60% high probability for our uptrend, and still 40 to 45%, sorry, 35% for a downtrend. Keep that in mind. At the moment, it's really dependent on Bitcoin. If the Bitcoin goes down, Kadena will also go more down. In my opinion, this is just great buying opportunity, guys. Anyway, guys, if you like my content, again, hit the subscribe button, hit the alert button, comment anything you like, and of course, join our free Telegram group. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching and see you in the Telegram group.